So in this video, we are going to install Ubuntu on Windows. So actually how we are going to do is just by opening Microsoft Store, and then after opening the Microsoft Store, we are going to actually write Ubuntu in the search box, and let me write it Ubuntu, and it will show us Ubuntu 18.04. We are going to install that, and then what we are going to do is install Ubuntu. After hitting, it will start downloading. This might take time depending upon the internet connection you are having, and this can take from anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes, or maybe more than that, depending upon your internet connection. I will fast forward this for you because this might take time, and I'll come back when it's done. So yes, it's now done, and I'm going to actually now what we have to do is now open PowerShell. We are going to search PowerShell. There's the window PowerShell. Now I'm going to run it as administrator, and we have to open it. Now what we actually have to do is, after opening it as administrator, we have to copy this thing. All right, this thing, I'll share it in the link down below. So actually we have to copy it and then hit enter. After that, it will install, and it might ask you to restart your Windows, so you have to enter Y and install it, and restart your computer to enable it. So actually in my case, it didn't ask me to restart. So okay, now what I'm going to do is open the Ubuntu, and it will start installing it, and this may take a few minutes or so, but depending upon your computer speed. Now actually I will wait to just install it. So okay, it has been installed. Now what I'm going to do is type my username, which is of course Musa, and then enter my password, and the installation will be completed. Now you can do any command of Ubuntu. So actually what happened is that we have a command line to run our test, our software. Like I really test my C++ so programs on Ubuntu. So I'll write sudo apt install g++, just a library to actually run small C++ codes. So it might take time, so I will be going to forward it. So now what we are going to do is how to actually access your Windows files that are present on your desktop or anywhere in your computer. So what we are going to do is write cd mnt/c. So it will take us to the local drive C, where all the files are present, actually the local directory. And then what we are going to do is write cd users, how many users are there, and to check how many users are there, we're going to write ls. So in my case there is only mcg, so I'm going to write cdmc and then c, and then again check the directories and have to go to the desktop. So what we are going to do is write cd change directory to desktop. So now my codes are present in the codes folder. So what I did is change the directory to codes, and now there is a file present 1.1.cpp, which I have to run on Ubuntu. So I will write g++1.cpp-om. So it will run my code. So this is how we install Ubuntu on Windows. Hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching this.